I'm Danielle with the Community Development YMCA, and today we're going to continue our discussion about wind and the weather with this experiment about how to get a water balloon inside of a water bottle. To get started, I have my instructions and my materials. For my materials, I have a water jug. You can use something big like this or something smaller like this water bottle. Either one will work. I have a balloon. I have paper towels in case we make a mess. And I have both scissors and a knife. Now remember, to use these, you must have an adult with you. Finally, I have some water off to the side as well. Now the important thing to remember, and you may have learned this in one of our other videos, is that the wind is a fluid. It's made up of gas. Because it's a fluid, that means it has mass. To have mass means you take up space, and everything around us takes up space. So for example, our water jug may look empty, but it's not. It's full of air, and that air has mass. It takes up all the space inside of our water bottle. If we wanted to smash our water bottle down, that air would come up through the opening and escape. But if our water bottle was sealed, the air would have nowhere to go until it popped off the lid or broke the seam. We're going to talk about that more when we try to put this balloon in and blow it up. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and put our balloon up to its neck, and then stretch that balloon over the top of the opening so that it completely seals the opening off. Now, all of that air and all of its mass is trapped inside of the bottle. It can't get out anywhere. We can kind of push the edges of the bottle in, but that air just kind of moves around in there. Similarly, when I try to blow this balloon up, it might blow up a little bit, but it's not going to be able to blow up all the way, no matter how hard I try and blow that balloon up all the way. Now let's try it. So make sure that your edge of the balloon is on all the way around really nice so it's not going to slip off. And we're going to take a really big deep breath and see how much I can blow this balloon up inside of this bottle with all of that air and its mass trapped inside. Ready? All right. It didn't blow up hardly at all. Let's try it one more time. Maybe I didn't get a deep enough breath. Nothing. Whew. I see stars almost. So if we can't get any air into the balloon, how are we going to get any water into the balloon to fit the water balloon inside? Well, the thing that you have to remember is that if we had taken the balloon off of the top, that air would have had somewhere to escape. So in order to blow that balloon up inside, we have to have somewhere for the air to go. So we still need to have the balloon sealed across the top here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take out our scissors or our knife, and we're going to use them to make a small hole. Now you can make the hole just about anywhere, but I'm going to put it right about here so that I can do another step here pretty soon. And you're just going to make a small hole. It can be a circle or a square or a triangle, whatever you want. Just remember that you have to have an adult to help you with this step. All right, I'm going to carve out a small hole. It doesn't have to be very big. Similarly, if you had a balloon or like your bike tire and it had like a teeny tiny hole in it, then that air would escape and eventually you get a flat tire. In the same way, you don't need a very big hole in your milk jug in order for the air to escape. There we go. We've got our small piece of the bottle out. We're going to put our scissors and a knife off to the side. If your adult can take them away with you, we won't need them again. Now let's try one more time to blow the balloon up, but let's see if I put my finger over that hole, what will happen. Okay, ready? Nothing. because that hole is sealed with my finger. Let's try one more time with my finger off of the hole. Ready? It even stays kind of blown up because now the hole is sealed with my balloon, which means now I can take the water and I can start to fill the balloon up. And once I get it filled enough, I can take this off and tie it up, and then I'll have a water balloon inside of a plastic jug. You can try this experiment at home and tell us what happens with you. Can you get, the hole got unsealed, which meant that the air rushed in through the hole and pushed back up on the balloon and made a big mess. But that's okay, that's why we have the paper towels. So tell us what happened with your experiment in the comments below, and make sure you hashtag and share it with us with the hashtag GWRYMCA STEAM. We'll see you again soon. Thanks.